Hi guys, I'm just going to be doing a requested tutorial using the L'Oreal Hip Duo in Riotous, I have no clue, Riotous, whatever, something like that. It's the green and brown one. I already did it in one eye. I've already applied my foundation and my mascara from before. So I'm going to start off with my Urban Decay Prime Potion is already on my lid also. I'm going to start off with the light green color. I'm going to be using my 213 from MAC to apply it all over my lid. So this green right here. It's a very simple look, and I really like this duo. It has two really pretty colors and that are wearable during the day. So I just want it to be really nicely packed on. So after you applied the entire green, keep it below your crease line, don't bring it up to the crease line. And then I'm going to be taking the second color, which is this dark one, and I'm going to be using my crease brush from Quo Cosmetics. And I'm applying it right in the inner outer corner, right on the outer corners. And into the crease a little bit. After I applied it, I'm just going to take my 224 blending brush from MAC and blend it out, soften it a bit. Take some more of whichever color you need. It's getting extremely hot in Toronto. The weather is like boiling and I'm like sweating. So basically, yeah. So after you blended it, take your highlight color. I'm going to be using MAC Shroom. It's this bottom one right here. Apply it to your highlight. I'm using the 224 brush. And then I'm going to apply some MAC Flu Line and Black Track. Sorry if you can see it. And after that, apply your mascara, but I already have my mascara on. And then I'm just going to line my waterline. I'm using my eyeliner from Quo. And that's it for the eyes. And then I'm just gonna take some blush from NYC. It's a Color Wheel and Pink Cheek Glue. And I forgot my blush brush. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of blush to the apples of my cheeks. I've been breaking out a lot. My skin reacts to weather change really bad. It's horrible. I'm gonna blend it out. And then the final step is going to be a lip gloss. I'm going to be using a lip gloss from MAC. It's from the Fafi collection. It's in Sock Hop, and I really love this gloss. It's like this. It's a bit of an orangey type color, but it looks quite nude on me almost. Just apply that. And basically that's it. Pictures will be up on my blog, and hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye.